Akindele's ex-husband, Jjcillz Bello, takes the front and center for the premiere of She Must Be Obeyed. He was an executive producer for this project. Guys, enjoy the highlights of this beautiful premiere. The blue carpet was popping. Anybody was there. Celebrities and fans alike came out to support FUNKE Akindele, Shinyabala. Guys, have you watched this series? Tell us what you think about it. Let us know. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to what you think about Shinyabala's antics. Okay, guys, love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I love Jjcillz ensemble. This blazer is encrusted with crystals, which I love, which is very rare on the carpet. Quite expensive taste. Love you, sir. Enjoy the highlights through the views of Jjcillz, one and only Jjcillz. Love it. This quiet girl is popping. Guys, enjoy the highlights. See this blazer. See the encrusting. This cost a fortune. And Nigerian designers are really trying. Guys, what do you think? Enjoy, subscribe for more. Subscribe.